Okay, let's look at this problem here. We're looking at the isotopic decay of carbon-14. And what we have here is effectively a single exponential function. And we have a decay rate here, if I can draw this smoothly. And we have some initial concentration at 15.3 disintegrations per minute. At some time later, it decreases to 14.2 disintegrations per minute. And we want to know what is this time t, and we're saying that the initial was at t0. Now, this is a single exponential decay, pardon the bump there, and we can say that a at any time, which we're going to classify as a, okay, so that's somewhere along this curve, is equal to the initial concentration e to the minus kt. We also know for half-lives that 0.693 is equal to kt1/2. Okay, so we can now say that k is equal to 0.693 over t1/2. So now I can come back over here and I can say that a equals a naught e to the minus, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this into here. So I have 0.693 t1/2 all times t. Now I'm after the time, so I need to take the log. So I'm going to pull everything out of the exponential to the left-hand side. So I have a over a naught equals e to the minus 0.693 t all over t1/2. And now I'm going to take the log of both sides. Okay, and this gives me the natural log of a over a naught is equal to minus 0.693 t over t1/2, and I know everything but t. Now one thing, this is a minus sign, and I could solve it this way. I could simply say t is equal to minus t1/2 over 0.693, the natural log of a over a naught, okay? I could have also said that this was equal to, if I use the relationship, ln of a over b equals ln of a minus ln of b, then minus the ln of a over b is equal to minus ln of a plus ln of b, which is equal to ln of b over a. So if I multiplied both sides by minus 1, I get ln of a naught over a equals 0.693 t over t1/2. So t is equal to t1/2 over 0.693, the ln of a naught over a. Now, a is the decay at some point in time. Here it's at 14.2. It must be smaller. Okay, I'm having problems here. It must be smaller than a naught. Okay, here's my a naught. And so this number is larger than 1. Okay. Over here, a over a naught is a number less than 1, and the minus of a minus is a positive. And if I substitute in my values for either of these, that is 5,715 over 0.693 years times the natural log of 15.3 over 14.2, I get 615 years, which is the same as I would get over here if I had done a minus 5,715 years over 0.693, the natural log, and now this is flipped, it's 14.2 over 15.3. So don't get confused if you see this written either way. It's important to be fluent with these and recognize that you need to know how to do the math um, because these problems come out in many different ways. Okay, well, good luck, and I hope this helps. A naught